if you don't mind.
Okay, you have a name and badge number if you don't.
A quiet car, legally parked on a public street. One resident feels uneasy, makes the call. Moments later, an officer arrives to check things out. The man inside remains composed, calm, alert, and fully aware of his rights. This isn't a scene of chaos, but a lesson in control, law, and the silent tension of misunderstanding.
I didn't even see you in the window.
No, so.
We got a call from a resident here. They were a little concerned. They didn't recognize your car. They were just wondering what was going on.
There are 3 vehicles parked here, and they pointed my vehicle out of all the vehicles here?
Yeah. They were just concerned. They didn't recognize the vehicle. They'd never seen it before. They just wanted us to see what was going on.
Can you advise them it's not illegal for someone to park in a public street?
Yeah,
He's not doing
you're not
anything
parked
wrong.
illegally, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Like I said, they just wanted us to see what was going on, make sure everything was all right.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to be bothered, man. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
So,
I totally understand.
do you have an incident number?
A case number for our CAD, we do. I don't know it. I have to go check my vehicle if you don't mind.
Okay, you have a name and badge number if you don't mind?
I'll give you my card that'll have all my information on it.
Perfect.
Would I be able to get a license from you real quick?
I'm not going to give that. I'm not breaking the law.
All right.
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is all my information on the front of the card.
Sure.
My name, phone number, email are on here if you have any questions.
All right.
Back is going to be the case number for
Perfect.
the incident. That's what you were asking for.
All right.
All right. So I see you're here from do you know somebody here? Any particular
I'm not
reason
going to
you
answer
were
any
parked
questions.
here?
Public street, public area. Anyone can be in any township at any point in time.
Okay.
So I'm not going to answer any questions.
Okay.
What exactly did they say?
They just gave us the description of the vehicle. They just said it was tinted windows. They didn't see anybody inside. The vehicle wasn't running. They were just concerned, didn't know what was going on with it. So
Who the hell could have called? Like, it doesn't make any sense. These people parked here around the same time I did. They're just watching my car? That's crazy.
that's the vehicle they gave us. And like I said, they just gave us a call. They were concerned. They didn't know what was going on, or why they were here. They wanted us to come and talk with you, see if you wouldn't mind chatting with us, make sure everything was all right.
That's crazy, man. All right, yeah.
So I mean, would you mind heading out of here? I don't know exactly what your plan was.
Why would I need to head out of here?
It's just making somebody uncomfortable. So they just didn't
Uncomfortable
know.
is not against the law.
I understand it's not against the law.
Good.
Like
So,
I said, they gave us a call. They wanted us to talk with you, see if
Yeah.
we could figure out what was going on,
How
why you
about
parked
this?
here.
Let's try this approach. How about you inform the caller that this individual is not breaking the law. They're in their car, they're on a public street, they have every right to be here, just as them and their families too. Leave him alone.
Like-
It's as simple as that.
Like I told you, as soon as I came
Yeah.
up, you're
I
not
know.
parked illegally, nothing like that.
I
They
know.
gave us a call. They want us to talk with you. That's
I
all.
know, but you're asking me to head out because they're uncomfortable. Uncomfortable is not against the law. Neither is suspicion. I'm not breaking the law. There's no crime until there's a crime, right? And I'm not here to commit a crime.
Okay.
I'm here for a legit reason, and I'm just parked in a public street.
Okay.
So tell them just to leave me alone. I'm not bothering anyone.
Okay.
I haven't
I'm not
committed
saying
this-
that
I
you
know
were.
you're not
All I'm saying
I'm
is
just
they
telling
gave us a
you
call about it.
so you can tell them that.
Okay.
All right? Because some people need to mind their business. I'm not doing anything. I haven't done anything.
Totally understandable.
Oh,
I
that's
get where you're
crazy
coming
in this
from.
economy, huh?
So I mean, like I said, I understand you're not doing anything wrong. You're sitting in your car legally parked on the side of the road, public road. I get it. The only reason I asked if you wouldn't mind leaving was obviously, like I said, somebody was uncomfortable by it. I get that's not against the law, but I didn't know if you were willing to keep going with whatever it is that you had going on.
I prefer to educate them rather than leaving. Educate them so that they'll know better. Next time, if someone parks in the street, to just leave them alone and observe.
Okay.
So educate them. I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna give them that satisfaction.
Okay. So if you don't mind sharing with me, you said that you were here for a legitimate reason. Do you mind sharing with me what that reason is?
No, I'm not gonna share that reason.
Okay. So you don't want to talk to me at
No,
all?
because they're not gonna trump my Fourth Amendment rights. You see,
Right, I'm not
because of
talking
their
with them about what your reasoning is. It's just
Good. But because of their fears, I'm not gonna answer to someone else why I'm here if I'm not breaking the law, right? The law allows me to travel freely, uninterrupted, right? And that includes parking too. So I just want to be uninterrupted. Just because they don't understand how the law works, it shouldn't violate my Fourth Amendment right.
I understand that.
Yeah, so
I'm totally with you. Like I said, that's not for their information. That's for us because I don't know if they're going to call us again or not. I'm going to obviously tell them that you're legally parked here. You're allowed to be here. There's nothing wrong with you being here. But just to avoid any conflict in the future, if they got upset by the fact that you didn't leave, I'm going to tell them he's not doing anything wrong. You guys don't have to go intervene. I want to make sure that doesn't happen.
Well, they should understand that if you explain it to them.
And I'm going to. Trust me, I'm with you. Like I said, if they, hear it from us, hopefully they'll listen to it, but not everybody does, right?
If they call you guys back, you can tell them they're harassing you. Stop abusing public officials, because
I get you.
you explained to them, you were here, you checked it out, there's nothing illegal going on. Leave me alone, ma'am or sir. Have a good day. That's it. That's the end of it.
I'm with you.
And you should also check your brakes, man. Your brakes making a lot of noise,
They're making
man.
that squeak,
They need to be
I get
changed.
you.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you talking with me. I appreciate you being cooperative. So, like I said, I didn't mean to bug you, but we got the call about it. We got to do
You
our
gotta
due
check it out.
diligence,
I
talk with
understand.
you, make sure everything's all good, okay?
I understand. I respect your professionalism, okay? I'm not trying to violate my rights or anything. So, thank you very much.
All right. Have
All
a good
right?
one.
You too, man.
All right. So I just wanted to follow up with you real quick.
Sure.
So I talked with the caller.
Okay.
One of your concerns, you had asked why they picked your car
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
So the caller knows who the other two people. So that was the
two?
reason.
What other two?
The other two cars.
Oh, okay.
So they saw your car. They were like, "That's strange. I know the other two. I don't know this one." So that was the reason that was your vehicle was noticed. I told them you're legally here.
Yeah.
No reason, that they have to intervene, come out, anything like that. They're cool with it.
Yeah.
They said, "Okay, we just didn't know. We wanted to double check on it."
That
So
person needs a job. They have too much time on their hands.
I get you.
Literally too much time on their hands.
I get you.
Let's say someone has an event here, right? And there's 15 strange cars parked on the street. That street. They're gonna call you guys for those strange cars that they don't recognize.
No,
You see how absurd that is?
I get you.
That's
I'm
crazy.
same boat. But like I said, I just wanted to talk with you, let you know, because I understand that was one of your concerns. I just wanted to follow up
I
with you about
appreciate
that
that.
one, so you know.
I appreciate that.
All right.
All right. Thank you
Have
very
a
much,
good
man. You too.
With steady words and unwavering presence, the man holds his ground. The officer listens, acknowledges the truth, and walks away. Suspicion fades, but the message remains. Awareness creates power. Even in stillness, the law speaks loud. Here, silence isn't surrender, it's strength. Here is another case. Inside a quiet home, rage ignites like wildfire. A man, cornered by past trauma, confronts those he believes brought fear to his doorstep, armed and unapologetic. Shouting turns into a storm of accusations, and trust collapses under the weight of past actions. In this moment, boundaries blur and raw emotion takes the lead. This isn't just anger, it's the aftermath of being pushed too far.
Bring your ass in here. I dare you to come in here. I dare you. I dare you to come in here with a gun out in my house. Hell yeah, you came in my house with a gun. Fuck wrong with you? Go get my property. Come back here and take my complaint. Go get my property. Right the fuck now. Come back here and take it. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Go get my property and come back here. Go get my property and come back here. I might rape you. Y'all woke me up with a gun in my face, you bitch. And you's a hoe. I wish you would, nigga. You take that shot, beat your ass. I wish you would. You too. And you know I'll whoop your ass.
Do you want to understand what's
No, I don't want to understand shit. I want you to go get my property, come back here, and take my complaint. So you not, so wait,
Yeah, right now,
you not gonna get my property and come back here. That's why y'all leaving, because y'all hoes.
Okay.
All of y'all some bitches. Y'all some hoes. You know you a hoe. Do something. Do something. Do something. You hoe ass nigga, you's a bitch. You know you a bitch. That's why you ain't doing shit. Because I didn't do nothing. Y'all came in the house, woke me up with a fucking gun in my face. Do something, hoe. Do something. Do something. Hell yeah. Nobody came to your house with your kids with a fucking gun. Bitch ass nigga. You're moving in my side. Hoe ass nigga. Do something then. Do something. Then do something. Take me to jail then. Take me to jail. I'm being disorderly. Here you go. Take me to jail. Because you a hoe. You's a whole hoe. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Tell me bitch, I'll stay here all night. Ain't gonna do shit. No. Take me to jail. No. Bitch, take me to jail. I'm not going nowhere. And I'm following your bitch ass back to the police station. Take me to jail. Y'all came in my house with a gun in my face. My kid in there. Are you fucking kidding me? That's why you standing there, because you know if I did that to you, you would kill me. And bitch, you know how I feel right now. Do something. I swear, do something. Swing, do something. You ain't gonna do, because you're not gonna do shit because you a bitch.
Why would I do that?
Because you a bitch.
Okay.
Y'all need guns and all this motherfucking other shit. Bitch, get out of my house. Go. 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 Alright, then I'm gonna dog the fuck out of you while you in the hallway, bitch. Something like that. Fuck you. Do something. Do something. Take me to jail. Do something.
What's your complaint?
Don't tell me to do something. Go get my property. Bring it back here.
When
Or
you
take
calm-
me to
when you calm
jail.
down, you
Go
go-
get my property.
You're not getting
Bring
calm.
it back here or take me to jail.
We're not getting
I'm never gonna calm down because you's a hoe. I'm never gonna calm down, you hoe ass bitch. I know you're not gonna do nothing. Bitch, listen to her. Listen to your hoe. Listen to her. Listen to her. You need to leave. Why you not arresting me? Why? Why you not arresting me? I'm gonna dog the shit out of y'all hoes. Bitch ass. You's a bitch, and you's a hoe. I dare you to do something. Right, exactly. Have a great night, you hoe-ass bitch.
The storm doesn't calm, it burns out. Officers retreat, words still echoing down the hallway. What began as a confrontation became a mirror, reflecting power, fear, and the scars that never healed. For some, justice feels distant, and every unanswered plea only fuels the fire. What remains is silence, and the sound of truth demanding to be heard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.